Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss some fundamentals of artificial intelligence, AI in context of LLMs. So you have like heard multiple things like tokens, embedding, vector, and you might be confused at what's difference between vector and embedding and what is token, etc. Today I'm going to unravel all of those things and give you a meaningful insights. First, let's start. You already know that how you send a response to AI. The first thing you send is a natural language. Maybe I love artificial intelligence to AI. AI understand it and then give you a response. Maybe like it will say that thank you so much. You wanna know more about it. Here, how AI understand is different how we understand. First, AI breaks things into tokens, which is fundamental thing how AI understand. A token could be a similar to a word in our language, natural language, or a single word could be broken down into two tokens, or two words could become a one token. For example, when I say I love artificial intelligence, I is a single token, love is a single token, but in artificial art is single token and facial is different token, and in intelligence it is single token. That's how thing works. Now the other part that how this sentence become a array like this, we will go through this journey. The text that you send to AI goes through a tokenizer, which is a kind of model or a function which breaks down your text sentence into a array of numbers. First, tokenizer breaks it into list of tokens. Then, because all of these tokens have a token ID assigned to it, and there is a to lookup table for it. What we do is like we create an array with this token IDs. After that, we get this token array. Now, this token ID can be converted into a vector or embedding. Now, at this point, we should understand the basic difference between vector and embedding. What vector is? Vector is a bunch of numbers like maybe 700, 800, 900. It's like this has a same importance as it is in the mathematics, where we all have learned in mathematics there is a vector which is an array which shows you a sign. That's how maybe I can show you these two they these two three. This could be a vector where there is a 2D array, and now at this point 2 3 will be there. Now what vector will be is like from 0 comma 0, a point directly to this point will be what we call a vector. That's this vectors in our context is same. And what embedding is something how AI assign value to those things, because you can see there could be a multiple vectors and because they are like multiple tokens, and similarly there is this. So distance between this two is same. So if they are embedding, will have similar meaning, or they are like semantically close to each other than this vector, and that's how this thing work. We can go and like back to our topic. Here we have array of token IDs. Now, as we have seen, this each token ID has a corresponding embedding or a vector which is array of numbers. We uh, replace those embeddings here, and we get a 2D array which we now then pass it to LLM, and LLM processes this thing, understand all of those stuff, and respond it to you. Thank you.